Hey guys, so we're gonna try to solve this problem using the calculator, which is way easier. So let's try to understand the problem again. So we are looking for the probability of x bar is between 58 and 63, right? So here, reading the problem, we can tell that the average lifetime is going to be 60 months, standard deviation is 8 months, and again the sampling here is going to be 34. We are looking for the mean lifetime between 58 and 63, which is that question here. Okay, so let me try to explain it. So after the sampling n, which is equals to 34, we're going to end up, according to the central limit theorem, we're going to end up with a normal distribution. This x here is going to be the x bar. The mean here is going to be mu x bar, and that's going to be the same as the mean, which is 60, the original mean, and that's going to be 60. By the way, here sigma, it was the original sigma, it was 8. So now once we do the sampling, we're going to end up as well with the sigma x bar, and that's going to be the old sigma divided by radical n. So in other words, is 8 divided by radical 34. And we will need this information for our calculation to plug in the calculator. All right, so what the question is asking for, they're asking what is the probability that x bar is between 58 and 63. So if this is the mean 60, 58 is going to be somewhere here, and 63 is going to be somewhere here. So we are looking for this area in between 58 and 63. All right, so this probability we are looking for is nothing other than the area. All right, so for the calculator, what you're gonna need, you're gonna need the lower and the upper and the mean, all right, and sigma. All right, so the lower end, it will be this, the 58. That's the lower end of the shaded area. All right, so this is the area you're looking for, right? The upper end is going to be 63. The mean that we're going to use is right here, mu x bar. So for this case is 60. And the sigma that we're going to be use actually is, they don't mean this one, they mean the sigma that you're going to be calculating your probability, right? So you're going to be sigma x bar, and that's going to be 8 divided by radical 34. You don't really need to calculate it, you can plug it right like that, right? Okay, how can we access the menu on the calculator? So you're going to start calculator, obviously, and you're gonna go to second, and you're gonna go to vars. So second and vars will access to distribution, which is the blue menu here. And once you are access all distribution, you're gonna go to the second one, which is normal CDF, because here we are using the normal z distribution, and you can see it right here, we are using z values, right? Okay, so we enter, and you see here the lower end, well, I did it already, so I have to type 58 in there. The upper end is going to be 63. The mean that they are asking for is 60, and the sigma, you just have to type 8 divided by radical 34 between parentheses, and then you're going to do paste and enter. And this is actually the syntax, how you type it into the calculator. You need to enter again to get the result, and the result is 0.9131. 5. If you round it to 4 decimal places, it can be 0.9132. So the answer, it should be 0.9132. Okay, you can plug it in, and you can see that once you plug it in, you get the right answer here. All right, that's all.